JRS Fibers for Life stands for more than 145 years in experience. The core of our business is to transfer the functionality of plant raw material into usable functional additives and fiber products for the industries worldwide.
We are roughly about 90 subsidiaries. There are some small, some big ones. The small are usually sales offices and entities, and then we have manufacturing as well. We are on each continent of this planet.
The GRS Group grows very fast, and in the end of the 1990 we opened production plants in the foreign countries. We had a really problem to have every time the right overview for all informations we need. And there was born the idea to get IT system which is able to work with his processes and also with languages and legal structures in all countries we had our plants.
I think it's a very good investment that we did, that we put everything on SAP Business One, the speed of the projects and the flexibility that the software gives, and also our partner landscape is just amazing to us.
Where we have all functionalities available and worldwide support, not only for the softwares, also for consultants. And with the time we worked more and more with BIBAN Solution together, and today I can say that was the right way, a good decision.
That is one of the best and completest software that you can have for mid-size and small, medium companies. The partner, in this case B1 Solution, is one of the strongest pillars in a project. They have a big global network of consultants and they are very necessary for success. B1 Solution support us always with the local sensitivity that is necessary.
Since JRS was growing all over the years, more than 30 sites are today live with our template, and we are in the people business. And it's most important when you are in a people business that the people work together perfectly. I'm glad that also JRS sees us as the best solution for their global business.
The biggest point was that we could make a financial consolidation for all over the world.
With our Fibers for Life, we help to design a more sustainable future in all industries.